Vibration analysis. Procedures for accurate evaluation of machinery condition. Special tests. Noise recording. A microphone and recorder cannot be used in all cases to diagnose problems in rotating machines. However, many cases arise when a microphone is the best transducer to use. Noise should be recorded to: Number 1, prove or disprove that machine problems are causing the noise. Number 2, identify the source of the noise. Number 3, determine the frequency and amplitude for noise abatement projects. And number 4, determine the correlation between sound pressure levels or SPL and vibration levels. Figure 50 contains the frequency spectrum of the noise recorded in a compressor building. The frequencies measured are vane pass frequency of the low-pressure compressor, 375 Hz, and the high-pressure compressor, 775 Hz, plus harmonics of these frequencies. The zero-to-peak value of the highest peak is about 64 decibel. The RMS value is about 88 decibel, or an overall zero-to-peak value of 1.414 multiplied by 88 equal to 124.4 decibel. At this level, pain is felt in the unprotected ear. The cause of the high noise in the room and the high vibration level on the compressor is vane pass frequency. When the problem in the compressor is fixed, the noise and vibration may be reduced to acceptable levels. Thank you.